Hi, I'm Aaron Mountain, and I'm here to teach you how to build a computer. The first thing you're gonna need is a case. Step 2. You need a motherboard with processors and RAM and all this junk, okay? So the first thing is your processor, right? You're gonna slap that in. Nope, you're gonna slap that in there, kind of like that. Maybe just give it a few taps in it, you know, make sure it's really in there. Next, you're gonna use some thermal paste. So you're just gonna put some of that in there. Yeah, just like that, right? Yeah, really get it. Yeah. Okay, next you're gonna take your what is this? Okay, you're just gonna kind of slap it in there. Make sure it's good. That needs to be cool too, right? So you put that in there, right? Step 3, you're gonna need your RAM. That's what this is. So you're gonna need to kind of put it in there. Make sure it kind of clicks. You know, that's kind of the way you need to do it. I was told. So that's how. Well, you know, sometimes it doesn't stick, so you just. Okay, yeah, that one's stuck, but we just kind of. This one needs to. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. There. Bam. Step number 4. Put it in the case. Oh, yeah. And the hard drive. Step 5. The almighty graphics card. We're just gonna really put this in. Hey, where does this go, by the way? I guess this goes, you see those? It kind of sits in there real good, like, just like, sometimes you just, take some anger on it because your girlfriend broke up with you. Step 5, plug it in. Step 5 or 6, whatever. Start it up and play your games. No. No! 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 And that's how you build a computer.
Models popping bottles.